Welcome to Cooking with Cathy. I'm Cathy Witt from Holy Cross Health. This is the Holy Cross Health Diabetes Prevention Program. Many of you have been asking for snacks. So it's okay to snack as long as you keep them spread out throughout the day and in between meals and not too many snacks. But you want your snacks to be healthy and something that would fill you up. So today I'm making energy balls and we only have 4 ingredients, so pretty easy to make. We have 2 cups of oats, half a cup of honey, and you can always decrease that, but I think the honey is a binder, so it might be a little challenging to do that. I have natural peanut butter. We're going to use 1 cup, and I have a 1/4 cup of mini chocolate chips, and I like to use the Enjoy Life mini chocolate chips because they're free of 14 allergens, so appropriate for most people. I'm going to throw all that together in this bowl. So I already have my oats in the bowl. I will add the local honey. So if we use local honey, it can help to alleviate some of your allergy symptoms. Perhaps everybody's different. I'm going to toss in the mini chips and then get my peanut butter out of here that's already stirred and it's at room temp. And I like to use these mini spatulas because they can go into small spaces. The bigger ones sometimes are hard to navigate. I use a small one. And then we'll mix this up. And hopefully it will hold together nicely. And you can experiment also with different mix-ins. You can mix in dried fruit. You can use a different nut butter, perhaps. If you have people who are allergic to peanuts, you can try cashew butter and almond butter, something like that. There's even sunflower seed butter, so you can play around with it. All right, have that mixed up really well, nice and gooey. And you're going to want to refrigerate this once you create the little balls. Get that out of the way. All right, so this spoon is too big, so maybe take a tablespoon and you'll create little balls. Let me make a few and then I will show them to you. And hopefully this time I won't drop them on the floor. I've been known to do that. Happens. Yeah, so they're pretty loose, but once you put them in the refrigerator, they'll firm up. And I would leave them in there for at least 4 hours. Overnight's probably better. And there you have it. Peanut butter energy balls. You have your oats, you have honey and peanut butter and the mini chips. Enjoy.